Let's now discuss the Yang Chow Mai or Yang stepping vessel symptoms. The Yang Chow Mai pathway. The Yang Chow Mai begin at the point bladder 62, then it travels to bladder 61 and ascends to bladder 50. The channel then moves through the lateral aspect of the thigh to gallbladder 29. From here, it travels over the lateral aspect of the body to SI10. From SI10, the channel goes over the shoulder through LI15. LI16 ascends to stomach 4, passes stomach 3 and stomach 1 to bladder 1. At bladder 1, it connects with the Yin Chow Mai and proceeds over the head to gallbladder 20, where it ends. Now let's discuss the Yang Chow Mai functions. First, Yang Chow Mai brings Qing body fluids and nutritive Yin Qi from the head down to the kidneys, and it receives its energies of the Yin Chow Mai. The Yin Chow Mai absorbs excess Yang energy. Yang Chow Mai absorbs excess wind from the head area. If the Yang Chow Mai has excess, the eyes are open and don't close, and there it is insomnia. If the Yang Chow Mai is deficient, the eyes are closed and unable to open, and there is hypersomnia. The Yang Chow Mai nourishes the hip. For the Yang Chow Mai symptoms, there will be rhinitis, stroke, sudden deafness, hypertonia, migraine, severe dizziness, sudden deafness, epilepsy, eye pain, low back pain, which is one-sided, lower leg pain along the gallbladder channel. Next, we have Yang Chow Mai palpation. So, palpation of the iliotibial tract along the gallbladder channel. In addition, check the hip rotations. An imbalance between the external hip rotation and internal hip rotation points to an imbalance between Yang Chow Mai and the Yin Chow Mai. An example of this is sciatica, which is along the pathway of the gallbladder channel with pressure pain of the iliotibial tract points to Yang Chow Mai involvement. Here's an illustration of how to do the palpation. Yang Chow Mai point pair. The confluent point is bladder 62 with the Dumai coupled point. The coupled point is SI3 with the Dumai, which is its confluent point. Now let's talk about Yang Chow Mai disease patterns. The following Sangfu diseases patterns can appear similar to Yang Chow Mai problem and have to be properly differentiated. First is wind heat in the lungs. Second is wind cold in the lungs, and third is liver wind. So let's discuss further. Wind heat in the lungs. The defense wei qi of the lungs is fighting against the invasion of wind and heat pathogenic factors. Wind heat in the lungs can be a reaction to wind cold in the lungs. Cardinal symptoms: acute cough with yellow sputum, aversion to wind and heat, infection with fever and sore throat. Wind cold in the lungs. The defensive or the wei qi of the lungs is fighting against the invasion of wind and cold pathogenic factors. Cardinal symptoms: acute cough with watery or white sputum, aversion to wind and cold, sneezing, feeling chilly, shivering, and shivering. Liver wind. Liver wind arises from extreme yin-yang and qi blood imbalance. Hyperactive liver yang, liver blood deficiency, or heat may all in extreme cases steer liver wind. The symptoms vary according to the cause. Cardinal symptoms: hyperactive liver yang, liver blood deficiency, or heat may all in extreme cases steer liver wind. The symptoms vary according to the cause. Uh, Among the cardinal symptoms are trembling, spasms, aversion to wind, sudden vertigo, and deviation of the tongue.